International System of Numeration. In International System of Numeration, a number is separated by periods. The periods are ones, thousands and millions. Each period has 3 places. As I said, there are 3 periods and each period has 3 places. Let's see what are the places. Ones period has places ones, tens, hundreds. That is first 3 digits of the number from right to left. Thousands period has places thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Millions period has places millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Periods are separated by comma. This is the pictorial representation of place value chart of International System of Numeration. As I said, a number is divided into 3 periods, that is ones, thousands and millions. In ones period, there are places ones, tens and hundreds, and thousands period has thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Millions period has millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Let's take an example. Mark the periods by placing the commas according to the International Place Value System and write the name of the number 412589. Here I have already drawn the International Place Value chart. In this system, there are 3 periods, that is ones, thousands and millions. The column which is in yellow color, that is ones period. The column which is in green color, that is thousands period. The column which is in blue color, that is millions period. While entering the digits in the place value chart, we start from right, that is from ones place. While reading the number, we start from highest period, that is from left to right. Since here we are entering the digits in the place value chart, we will start from right to left, that is from ones place. So 9 comes in ones place, 8 comes in tens place, 5 comes in hundreds place. So the digit 5, 8, 9 are in which period, children? That is in ones period. Next, 2 comes in thousands place, 1 comes in 10,000s place, 4 comes in 100,000s place. So, the digits 4, 1, 2 comes in thousands period. Since the digits 4, 1, 2 comes in thousands period, we read all 3 digits together as 412 thousands. We read it as 412 thousands because 412 comes in thousands period and 589 comes in ones period. The question is, we need to mark the periods by placing the commas. So, why we use the commas? To separate the periods. So, here 412 is in thousands period, the digits which are in green column. 589 which is in ones period, the digits which are in yellow color. Okay, we need to separate those digits by putting the commas, that is 412 comma 589. 412 in thousands period and 589 in ones period. So we are separating those two periods by comma. How to write the number name for this number? That is, as I told before, 412 we should read it together. That is 412,589. Next example, mark the periods by placing the commas according to the International Place Value System and write the name of the number 1963258. Here I have already drawn the International Place Value chart. As I explained before, it has three periods, that those are ones, thousands and millions. The column which is in yellow color is the ones period. The column which is in green color is the thousands period. The column which is in blue color is the millions period. We start entering the digits in the place value chart from right to left, that is from ones place. Let's start entering the digits in the place value chart. 8 comes in ones place, 5 comes in tens place, 2 comes in hundreds place. So the digits 2, 5, 8 are in ones period. Next, 3 comes in thousands place, 6 comes in 10,000s place, 9 comes in 100,000s place. So the digits 9, 6, 3 are in thousands period. Next, 1 comes in millions place. That is, there is only one digit in the millions period. That is 1. The digits which are in blue color are in millions period. The digits which are in green color are thousands period. The digits which are in yellow color column are in ones period. So while reading the number, we won't read it as 963. While reading, we will join the digits as 963,000. And for this 1 million, and for this ones period 258. And to separate the periods, we put commas. So let's write the number by marking the periods by placing the commas. That is 1, 963, 258. Here 1 is in millions period and 963 digits are in thousands period. So I am separating those two periods by first comma. Next is second comma is separating the thousands period and ones period. That is 963, 258. Then how to read this number? That is 1,963,258. The number name of that number is 1,963,258. Let's take an example. Using International Place Value chart, write the numeral of 204,601. By reading this only we can understand 204,000 means 204 comes in thousands period and 601 comes in, obviously it should come in the next period, that is ones period. So according to the rule, we should start entering the digits from right to left. Here I have already drawn the place value chart of International System of Numeration. In ones period, as I said, 601. 601 means in ones place 1 will come. 601, they did not mention any digit for tens place, so we need to enter it by 0, 6 is in hundreds place, that is 601 comes in ones period. Next, what comes in thousands period? That is 204,000. In this part also they did not mention what comes in 10,000s place. So in that place we need to enter it by 0. First let's check what comes in thousands place. That is 204 means 204,000 means in thousands place 4 will come, and 10,000s place, as I told, they did not mention anything. So we need to enter it by 0, and in 100,000 place we need to enter 2, that is 204,000. So 204 comes in thousands period, 601 comes in ones period. Next step, we need to write all these digits and separate the periods by comma. So how to separate the periods? That is 204 is a thousands period. So 204 my comma 601, that is 204 comma 601, 204,601. Next example, using international place value chart, write the numeral of 1,204,101. According to step 1, first we need to draw the place value chart of international system of numeration. That I have done already. Second step is we need to enter the digits of ones period. So what comes in ones period? According to the rule, we should enter the digits from right to left. Okay. So here the given number name is 1,204,000. So here 1 million means this 1 comes in millions period, and 204,000 means this 204 comes in thousands period, and 101 this comes in ones period. So how to enter this 101 in ones period? 101. So in ones place 1 will come, 101. They did not mention anything about what comes in tens place. So we need to enter that place by 0. 101. So 1 comes in hundreds place. This is 101. That is 101 comes in ones period. Next step is enter the digits in thousands period. So what comes in thousands period? 1 million. So it means 1 comes in again. As I said, millions period. 204,000. 1000 means what here? This 204 comes in thousands period. 204 in thousands place. 2 will come. They did not mention anything. That is 204. Okay. 2 comes in hundreds place. Nothing is there in 10,000s place. So in thousands place 4. In 10,000s place 0. And in 100,000s place 2. That is 204,000. 2 is in 100,000 place. 0 comes in 10,000s place. 4 comes in thousands place. 1 million. This one comes in millions place of millions period. So how to write the numeral of this? We have already entered in the place value chart. Now we need to copy all the digits and separate the periods by comma. Here 1 is in millions period and 204 comes in thousands period and 101 are in ones period. That is 1 comma 204 comma 101, because 1 is in millions period, 204 in thousands period, 101 is in ones period. We read it as 1,204,101. 200, 4,101.